Hey folks, this is an example of how to use Hookpad to write a song. So first thing I want you to do is log in. You have to use my account. Then you're going to open Hookpad. And please don't change the password. Okay, here we are in Hookpad. The first thing I would advise you to do is to put in some chords. And then the second thing I would ask you to do is to click on the melody and start with some shorter notes. Okay, I'll move my cursor back to the beginning. Okay. Now, since there's so much motion in this first part, I'd probably like to slow down the motion. And I can pick notes that come from this chord. In this case, looks like... Oh, I'll turn my guides on. There we go. Okay, so I can have green. I also have these blue dots that tell me what notes are parts of the chord and which ones are not. Alright, go back to the beginning, listen to what I've got so far. And maybe I'll slow the motion down a little more. Now I can loop it. And now I can add a band to it. In this case, well, we'll make it a rock song. Why not? Oh. What I can do next is File and Export and MIDI. I should have saved this thing. Alright. S to save. And this way, when if I need to open it back up again, I can find it. I could even just type my name. Find all of these different songs that I wrote. Okay. Now that I've exported, I can open Logic.